Hello. So in these videos, we will try to add a Telegram, and we will try to get the reply from the Telegram. So basically, this is the last of workflow we was created. So there was a Gmail trigger here. So at this moment, I will try to add the Telegram as well. So for that, I'm going to add a new. I'm going to add. This is the email set. Okay, so no problem. So I'm going to add new tab here. So I'm going to add a new workflow, create new workflow here. So basically this is the Telegram replay. Let's say Telegram FAQ replay. Okay, so FAQ replay, Telegram FAQ replay, replay from knowledge base. Not exactly knowledge base, it's from database. Okay, so Telegram replay from database. I'm going to add the Telegram trigger here. So Telegram. So let's say Telegram. On messages here from, so if I execute this script, it's on the listening. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to add the Telegram credentials from here. So I'm going to add the stop listening here. So I already added the Telegram credentials, so I'm going to delete it. So again I'm going to delete it. Okay, so before the edit, so there is only required, that thing is access token. So access token. So before that, I'm going to add in my Telegram. So there is a bot further here. So I'm going to, so this is the basically yeah, this is the bot further. So already I added, I created a Telegram bot. So now I will delete bot, this bot, and I will create the new bot. So at this moment, you will see how I can delete the bot. So there is a lots of command here. If I go into this slash, so you will see lots of commands. So I'm going to my bots. So there is a my bots. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to delete the bot. Okay, so yes, delete the bot. Okay, yes, I'm 100% sure. So the bot will be deleted. So you have no bot currently. So I'm going to create new bot. So I'm going to, let's say, slash new bot. So all right, the what the bot name. So I'm going to let's say n8n FAQ. So n8n FAQ underscore bot, bot. So this is the bot. So as like as I'm going to same the username here. So n8n FAQ bot. Okay, so I think okay, so n8n FAQ bot. So this already created. So this is if I going to click on till dot me and n8n FAQ bot, if I'm going to start here, so it's already worked properly. So before that, I'm going to create that API token. This is, you see there is the API token here. So I'm just copy the token here. I'm going to, just a minute. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to my Telegram here. So create new credentials. I'm going to add these steps. Okay, so it's already added here. Okay, so I think it's properly added, connection successfully. Okay, so I'm going to execute a step. It's already listening. So now I will go to I will go to message to my bot. Let's say I'm going to say hi. So hi. Okay, so it's already comes here. You see that there is a user ID and many type of messages here. Hi. So I'm going to pin it. Okay, let's say. Okay, so before that, I'm going to my previous node. You already know how I can create this, so I'm just copy all of those things and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so it's already paste. I'm going to add, I'm going to click one of my keyboard. It's automatically fixed the save. So at this moment, I'm going to replay message here, Telegram. Okay, so I'm going to send message, send video, not exactly send message here for okay, send text message here. So execute previous node. I'm going to execute the previous node as well. So this is not here. So this is the here. So I'm going to add the execute step. Let's see a problem with the executing workflow. So there is an executing workflow. This is the JSON of snippet. This is not my text. I'm going to add here my text here. So let's say this is the text. Okay. So if I execute this step, it will automatically output. This is not the FAQ related, it's others. So I need to add FAQ related questions. So I'm going to add a first question, how long how long does a password resetting stay valid? Okay. So I'm going to unpin this data because I'm going to add another execute step. It's listening sorry. Okay. So if I going to send a message again, this is the message. So yeah. So if I execute a step, so there is might be okay. There might be problems, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to execute. I'm going to not exactly execute a step, so I'm going to stop listening. There is a problem. Please resolve the understanding image before activate it. Okay, so I need to fix the problem. So at this moment, I'm going to deactivate it. Okay, so at this moment it's listening. So actually this one makes the problem. So I'm going to say another questions here. So let's say this is the question. Okay, so at this moment it's work. Okay, so let's uh let's pin this data this as it is questions. So I'm going to pin the data. So if I going to execute this step, it will work properly from the FAQ item. Okay, so I'm going to run this as well. So okay, so there is a problem regarding the JSON snippet. So I'm don't not need this one. I'm going to the text message here. So I'm drag and drop here. So if I going to execute only the ascent, so it will give me output here. So yeah, at this moment I'm going to activate. So activate. So I'm going to add this one. So now it's already executed the previous node. This is the ID here. So this is the ID, chat ID. Okay, this is the text. Okay, this is the text. Okay, yeah. So now if I execute the step, it will work properly. Let's see, the replay will come to my annotator. Okay, so password resetting will be expired 24 hours for the security reason. If your link has expired, you will need to request a new one. Okay, so this is the exact question answer that we already saved in our this workflow. So sorry, not exactly this workflow, this the database, vector database. So this is the exactly things what we are creating. So yeah, I hope all of you guys are understood the properly. So if I going to live this one, so it will work properly. So let's create it live. So as I mentioned, this pin unpin the data, so I'm going to live it. Let's say got it. Okay, so let's live it. Okay, done. So I'm going to execution here. So you see there is a no execution, there is already execution, some execution, successful execution as it is live. So I'm going to send him message hi. So let's say I'm going to send message. It will not reply me because this is not related to the FAQ question. So I'm sending him message hi. So if I going to my annotated replay, that is it's working. It's already working, but it's comes to here and there is after that it will go to the text classifier, it's others, so that's why it's not work. So if I going to message here, you could see that the message is hi, text hi, and if I going to the text classifier, it's not it's related to others category, that's why it's not executed in this step here. So so at this moment I'm going to add a questions here. So why do you require such a complex why do you require such a complex password? So this is the FAQ related questions. So I'm going to ask him questions, same questions in the that on our vector store. So I'm going to ask him the questions. So why do you require such a complex password? It will give me the reply. I think so. Yeah, complex password protect your account from the brute force attacks and unauthorized access. Okay, so I'm going to check my document here. Yeah, so complex password protect your account from the brute force attacks, it's the exactly same. So another questions comes to our mind, that is that it's already says that this message was annotated automatically, so I'm going to stop it. So let's see. Let's stop it from our end. Let's come here. Okay, so this is the execution field, so we didn't make edit here. So this is the success message. Oh, you see that this success message work properly. So this comes and this, and after that one item, and it's work properly, and you see all of those things work properly. So this is the message. Okay, so this is the previous message. Okay, so I hope you understood properly. So at this moment I will off the at anything attribution. So I'm going to there send message text message here. So I'm going to add field append and attain attributions, and I'm going to stop it. Okay, so this might be off, this is off. So if I am going to send him again a message, so let's say this message I want to send him. Okay, so it will replay me, but there will be no annotate attribution. So yeah, so this is the replay. Okay, so sorry, now I didn't save it, so that's why it's not working. I think so. Yeah. So now save it. So I'm going to paste again, paste the data, paste the text. Okay, so I'm going to send him. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there is this message is not here. So I hope you understood, guys. So thank you so much. So in this videos we just learn how we can add the telegrams to our annotator, and this all of those things are as the previous previous videos I was explained. So yeah, thank you so much.